Welcome back to the channel, Rod and RK Auto Detailing. This year I made it to the Grand Rapids, Michigan RV show, and the very first model that my wife and I saw coming in was this Destination model by Crossroads, the Hampton. It's just over 41 feet long, and we walked around, and being that she's in a wheelchair and couldn't get around very well, she jumped out, and we actually went in this and spent quite a bit of time. I came back and took a video of this. Was very amazed because an RV, the key thing to an RV is the floor plan and the amenities or options you can upgrade to if you need extra. This came standard with dual 15,000 ACs. The floor plan was 100% spot on for us as a couple. Now, you're going to say, what would you do with a Destination model? This isn't something you just hook and go on a camping trip. This is something you buy and you plop down on a piece of land or property that you have purchased, and it stays there pretty much as a semi-permanent fixture. So we're looking at property in another state, couple states, and I said, if we had some land or a place to park something, would this work? So the bedroom and the bathroom just knocked us right out. The bathroom, the key thing is getting her in and out of the shower and all that. Nailed it with that, and the bedroom, his and her wardrobe and all. And as I moved up into the kitchen, the residential refrigerator, which is nice because the trailer is going to be sitting there, not bouncing around going down the road on weekend trips or annual trips or anything. It has a mid-bath, and I really was impressed with that. The countertops on the vanity sinks, that is so hard to get surface area to put your personal hygiene stuff on, and storage. This model nailed it. I was very, very happy and impressed with what they did. This was the first Destination model that I was just in a wow factor, that literally I turned around and got the camera and went back in and recorded. The living room, I like that the shade, instead of going up and down, goes across, because it is a half moon shaped front window and it is tinted and darked out. As such, the cabinetry, mostly all residential appliances in there. It did have an option for a dishwasher, but did not have one. Very, very happy and impressed with this. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the Hampton HP 372 FDB model. Take a look at it. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you all soon.